Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama, currently trading around $33. We have been having a relief rally in the altcoin market. We have started 2023 on a very bright note, but it looks as if that rally is coming to an end. In the last 1 week, we saw Kusama lose 9.4% of its value. If we go on the yearly time frame, Kusama is still down 77.9%. So in this video, we're taking a look at the Kusama US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Is it the end of the rally? If this is the end of the rally, how low can we go? And if this is just a temporary pullback, where will Kusama face significant resistance as we continue pumping to higher prices? We'll also take a look at Kusama's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Kusama's market cap, which currently sits around $283 million. Can we rally to the $500 million level before the end of this rally? Or are we dumping back to Goblin Town, going back to test the $180 million region? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always watching my videos. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Kusama is currently ranked 127 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 263,000 people that have Kusama on their watch list. Guys, in the last 1 year, we have seen Kusama go from as high as $205 to as low as $21.71. Kusama has a market cap of $283 million, a fully diluted market cap of $324 million, a total supply of 9.6 million coins, and a circulating supply of 8.47 million coins. All coins started 2023 on a very bright note. We saw a lot of all coins on a monthly time frame pumping by more than 100%. Some all coins even pump above 200%. But right now, in the last 1 week, we're seeing a pullback in the altcoin market, and all coins have started looking as if they want to dump to Goblin Town. And Kusama in the last 1 week has lost 9.3% of its value. Is this the end of the relief rally for Kusama? We've seen Kusama pump really well in the bull market. Guys, Kusama got to an all-time high of $600 on the 16th of May 2021, but that was a long pump we saw for Kusama. Kusama was trading around the $1 region. So $1,000 invested in Kusama would have given you more than $580,000 in the bull market. That's why we like all coins in the bull market. They can pump to higher prices, but for you to enjoy those pumps in the future, you have to be willing to invest when they are deep down in Goblin Town in the bear market. And right now, Kusama is going through its first crypto bear market. From that all-time high of $600+, we have seen Kusama drop to as low as $21.8 deep in this crypto bear market. There's no guarantees that we will not see lower prices, because if the relief rally is over at this $39.5 level for Kusama, guys, we might just see Kusama dumping, taking out this $22 level, and maybe dropping to new all-time low. Since when Kusama started its bear market, we've been seeing some pumps along the way, but ultimately all those pumps has led us to lower prices. We saw the pump here of 250% from July to November 2021 for Kusama. We couldn't set new all-time highs. We got shut out at the $503 region. After that, as Kusama started dumping to Goblin Town, we also saw another pump from February to April of 2022. That was a 200% pump to the upside. When the rally came to an end, we saw another rally briefly in August of 2022 that went up 56%. Right now in this bear market relief rally, we have seen Kusama in the last 40 days go up 68%. So if we can blast above that $38 region, guys, there might just be chance for Kusama to continue pumping to higher prices. It's not all doom and gloom. If the relief rally is not over, we'll be keeping our eyes firmly watching that $68 level. That will be the line in the sand for Kusama. That will be the region where we'll need to blast through if we are serious with this bear market rally. Bitcoin was trading around $25,000 in August of 2022, and we saw Kusama trading around $68 then. Right now, Bitcoin has dumped to gobbling town just for Kusama. And Kusama, for it to rally back to that $68 region, we have to see Kusama from where it's currently trading rally up by 104%. In the bear market rally, you don't want to be someone's exit liquidity. In the bear market rally are designed to get maximum value out of the market. Now, a lot of market participants will not buy when we're down in gobbling town. When they start seeing us pump to higher prices, when they see Kusama getting to $68, after it's up more than 200%, that's when the FOMO will kick in and you see a lot of people flipping their US dollars for some altcoins. Remember, guys, as long-term investors are accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run, they are doing that slowly in the bear market. Kusama is still down 77.9% on a yearly time frame, and for Kusama to go back to its previous all-time high from where we're currently trading, Kusama will have to rally up by more than 1,700%. So $1,000 invested in Kusama right now should return over $17,000. But guys, as you're accumulating, remember not to go all in. Remember not to get carried away by the pumps we're seeing on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. All coins are very volatile. They can easily continue dumping to gobbling town. And if you go all in and dump to gobbling town, you won't have any capital to buy them when they are cheaper. And guys, just the fact that you're buying these altcoins right now doesn't mean they cannot dump to gobbling town. If you're a long-term investor, you have to survive all the dumps for you to enjoy on the wonderful pumps we're going to have in the future. If you take a look at what Kusama is doing against Bitcoin, he's going through his first crypto bear market and is dumping really well to gobbling town, rightly so. In the bull market, we saw it pumping up against Bitcoin. It went up 142x against Bitcoin in 477 days, which meant one Bitcoin invested in Kusama on the 9th of February 2020 would have returned more than 142 Bitcoins by May of 2021. Very impressive, but right now in the bear market, in the last 628 days, we have seen Kusama lose more than 90% of its value against Bitcoin. That's to be expected with all coins in the bear market. If you also take a look at Kusama's performance against Ethereum, in the last 600 days, we have seen it lose more than 94% of its value against Ethereum after it pumps aggressively in the bull market by more than 1,000%. Guys, in the bear market, you expect all coins to dump really well against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. A lot of people are scared in the bear market, and when people start getting scared in the markets, you see them flipping their altcoins for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, because when people are scared, they run towards safety, and the two strongest assets in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So when people are scared, you see them flipping their altcoins back into Bitcoin, back into Ethereum, which further decreases the value of their altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Kusama's market cap, which has rallied to the $300 million level, we got rejected at the $390 million level. Right now, it looks as if Kusama is heading back to gobbling town. We might probably see it come to test the $180 million region. Worst case scenario, Kusama's market cap will head back to the $100 million region. From the all-time high where Kusama's market cap got to at the top of the bull run, around $5.1 billion, we have seen Kusama's market cap drop to as low as $180 million. We've seen it drop 96.44% from its all-time high. And if Kusama is going to that $100 million region, Kusama will be down 98% from its all-time high. And that has happened in the last 643 days. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Kusama heading to in the coming weeks and in the coming months? Do you think this is the end of the relief rally for Kusama and we're gearing up for one final dump to the downside? Or do you think this is a temporary pullback that will lead us towards $68 and probably to higher prices in this bear market rally? If you're a long-term investor, are you still accumulating some Kusama deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul, don't get too greedy, and don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video.